Recently, the incredibly trustworthy Majin Buu official shared a hands-on video of the iPhone 17 Pro on X, formerly Twitter, showcasing its stunning orange finish. I promise you that this is not the typical iPhone hue. This might be the most daring design decision Apple has made in a long time. That rich, deep metallic orange immediately draws attention as soon as the clip begins. It's not a faded pastel or a delicate coral. This is blatantly upscale, aggressive, and self-assured. The matte glass back maintains a steady and refined tone, while the titanium frame captures reflections in the most opulent way when illuminated properly. Not to be overlooked are the delicately rounded corners, which give the phone a sophisticated yet cozy appearance when held in the hand. This might be Apple's well-thought-out reaction to the increasing popularity of striking flagship colors among other companies. However, Apple always accomplishes it with their trademark accuracy and sophistication. Although orange may seem like an odd choice, Apple has a habit of introducing one or two signature colors with each iteration. After titanium blue last year, it appears that we may be seeing what is known as sunset titanium orange, which has the potential to become the most talked about iPhone finish since Product Red. Given Majin official's solid reputation, if this hands-on clip is authentic, we might be witnessing the start of Apple's next significant change in design identity. The speculated A19 chip and the improved camera system aren't the only features of the iPhone 17 Pro. Before you even unlock the screen, you want to make a statement. Apple is well aware that a smartphone in 2025 will be more than simply a piece of technology. It will become an integral element of your own style. And this orange hue, well, this is style taken to the next level. What do you think, then? Will you continue using the traditional silver and black iPhone 17 Pro, or is this orange model the most daring move Apple has taken in years? Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.